Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With Aweber integrations, you can integrate some of your favorite tools directly into your Aweber account. From the home page, click on Integrations in the side panel. Now this will show you all of your current connected integrations, anything you already have connected. If there's nothing here, you'll just see the available ones. And you can see we connect with a lot of popular integrations like Etsy, WordPress, and more. Now from available integrations, we can search things like forms and see any integration that has to do with forms. Once we find an integration we want to use, we can click it and then click to connect that integration, starting that connection process. Also, you can always click Need Help under the connection button to check out our step-by-step tutorial on how to set this up. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.